Hi guys, need to show you here in this video. After we put building pad to grade, we covered with 57 stone. You can see to stay away from the mud, and you can see here we saved some 57 stone for slab work, and we poured one section for the footers from here to there. So I have cold joint here and cold joint there, and you can see dowels up, anchor bolt set on grade, and we have tape around the anchor bolt. You can see tape it, and everything is set per drawing, rebar shop drawing, and then we dug the three interior foundations here, D3, D4, D5. Okay, and then after that we poured concrete, and here we dug the rest of the footers for this building A and put rebar, pass inspection, third party, and with the inspector from the city. And today we poured the concrete for three interiors foundation, and you can see this truck is done, it's empty, and I have two here. We'll pour. Okay, so that will be 30 cubic yard, and here we poured concrete per elevation. We are using vibrator, and everything is set per approved drawing. I have third party here, they did concrete test. Everything is good to go, and here you can see rebar mat, chairs, and here we have anchor bolt, 1 inch diameter, and you can see at the bottom. We put like 3 plywoods together, because that column will come, bottom of plate will come with welded metal at the bottom, inch times 5. So we have a little bit room to work with. So that will be for the wind shear force. So we'll pour right now. We'll go from there. And here I built a road for the crane to go inside the building next week. And we'll start to erect the steel structure for this building next week. The good thing, the weather is good. There is no rain next week, and this week we will be out of mud, and everything will be good to go. You can see that concrete track mixer will pour from here. We have another one here, so we don't need concrete to sit on site with no delay, you know. Pour immediately and fast. Okay guys, so, and here, as I said, okay guys, you can see rebar dowels here for slab dowels. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe. We'll upload more videos about construction work.